What is going on, everybody? My name is Matt and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, in my opinion, one of the greatest NFTs I have seen in recent time. And I get a lot of projects that come by my way on this channel, but to be honest with you guys, I have never seen one that is as ambitious as the guys I'm going to be showing you all on the channel today. So if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the project I wanted to show you guys is something here called Astro Babies. Now, these guys have been around for a little while, and if you guys are interested in the Solana NFT scene, I'm sure you guys have heard of these. Now, what the Astro Babies are is essentially one of, again, in my opinion, a very ambitious project designed to build the first ever land-based crypto casino in El Salvador. And again, I love it when NFTs actually work and do something in real life. There are so many projects out there that stick to only metaverse stuff, and that's great and all, but sometimes, man, it is very refreshing to see a project that is actually building something in the real world. So Astro Babies, as you guys can see, have had a very long history here on the Solana ecosystem. So of course, first off, you guys can see the OG Astro Babies are launched. 5,000 gens building the Astro Club Metaverse and Astro Marketplace on planet Solana. They are also developing the first ever land-based crypto casino that provides revenue sharing to its holders in many different avenues. In order to fight lower gas fees and take the power back from crypto whales, OG Astro Babies strive to launch the greatest NFT project ever created. And you guys can see they're holding steady here with a floor of 1.2 Solana, which definitely is not bad. Now, they had a second project which also sold out pretty quickly, and that is the Astro Baby Apes, which of course are 10,000 apes, designed of course to represent the land-based crypto casino in El Salvador. Now, what I love about this project is they've been very transparent throughout their entire launch and run here. Again, here is one of the founders here who was tweeting out a picture of him wearing a mask with the Astro Babies on it, which is very, very cool. And they give you a little bit of insight here in regards to what this casino actually will look like. So they give you, a full little demo here on their Twitter, but essentially, what we are given here is the amazing Astro Lobby, VIP area, bar, all of this just amazing level of detail here that they are putting into this. And again, this is just kind of a model of what something like that would look like, which I think is absolutely awesome. So they actually were nice enough to collaborate with me on this video and send me a picture of what they are next to. So here's a little look. This is a hotel that they are located next to. So this area here is going to be where in El Salvador they will have their actual land-based casino. And once again, folks, I love it when projects like this actually showcase their real life ambitions, actually work on something in the real world. Tell me that isn't awesome. So when we take a look here at their site, of course, they do give you that little tour of how everything works, and you can own a piece of the casino with Astro NFTs. So they were featured on MarketWatch, Business Insider, and Yahoo Finance, which is great. And they say by simply holding an Astro Baby, ape, or pup, you will own shares in the world's first crypto land casino in El Salvador. Better yet, own all three and receive additional revenue reflections or aftermarket royalties. Finally, the rarity of your NFT will determine your revenue reflections paid in ABB tokens. The rarer your Astro, the more you earn, which is always good. And of course, like they tweeted recently, there are some options here for you to actually go and check your rarity. So they do mention here over on their Twitter that you could go and check which tier yours falls into and see about how much you would make. So again, they also have their mint tier, which did mint out, as well as a Tesla Model 3 giveaway, and so much more. On top of it, of course, we check out their white paper here, and it is just information galore of what these guys have planned. So again, a little bit about how their tokenomics work, how the real life casino will work, all of that. And again, it is so refreshing to see a project actually build something in real life. So with that being said, folks, I really do hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys did. Check out Astro Babies down below in the description, and I do appreciate them working with me on this collaboration. And like I tell you guys in every single video, I only accept a project for collaboration if I actually like the project, and these guys do not look to disappoint. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a like. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.